Okay, so today's lesson we're going to look at nutrition in plants. There are two types of nutrition in plants, and there is under autotrophic. Under autotrophic there is photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. But today I'm just going to talk about photosynthesis. So when we talk of photosynthesis, this is a kind of nutrition, or this is a process by which growing plants manufacture their own food using sunlight energy to combine carbon dioxide and water to form glucose, which is their plant's food. And also along the process, as they are forming glucose, they also produce what we call as oxygen as a byproduct. So as a byproduct, something that comes out when you are eating a particular target. You plan to do a particular target, but along the way you just surprise, oh boom, what is this? I've made something along the way. We call it a byproduct. For example, you are going to school and then you bump into a friend, a blab tree, and he says, oh, I've been looking for you. So that friend of yours, your aim was go to school to see the lecturer, but that friend of yours you have met along the way, she's is just an anonymous person who bumped into you out randomly. So you can refer to that friend as a byproduct. So the main aim of photosynthesis is to make glucose plants food and not to make oxygen. Oxygen is just a byproduct as it is written here according to the notes. Let's look at this. This is the process by which green plants manufacture their own food using sunlight energy to combine carbon dioxide and water. Oxygen is produced as a byproduct, while glucose as the product, which is food to plants. This process takes place in leaves, and it is the process that occurs during the day. Photosynthesis never occurs in the night. Why doesn't it occur in the night? The reasons are simple. In your definition, you talked about sunlight energy. You can only get the sunlight energy when it's during the day. There's no sun in the night. So the energy from the sun will help the plants to combine carbon dioxide and water to come up with glucose. Along the way, oxygen will be produced. There's a simple illustration that talks about this. Let's look at this. Here, look at this. Here is the sun, the rays. These are the rays hitting on the leaf. The carbon dioxide coming, probably coming from humans and animals when they are undergoing respiration. They produce carbon dioxide which reacts, also takes place in the leaf. And there is water, you see, water here has been taken up by the roots. And then the same leaves will produce oxygen and sugars, which is a plant's food. So that's all we can talk about photosynthesis. The next time we'll meet, we're gonna talk about chemosynthesis. So the next lecture, yeah, end of the lesson. Thank you. So we'll see you next time. This is your biology and chemistry teacher, Manobanda. See you. Have a good day. Remember, don't cut plants, don't cut trees. They are very much useful for the production of oxygen and glucose. You need them.